Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we are going to do some noodling, but we have hit 20,000. So 20,000 subscribers, and it's been a bit of a goal of mine for a little while. And it was certainly a momentous occasion when I got to 10,000 subscribers. And now all of a sudden we're at 20,000. So thank you very much to everyone who has answered the call and hit that subscribe button, because you've certainly helped, and we've certainly pushed on well past 20,000 now, well over 20,250. So many more people have jumped on board, and welcome to the channel. So thank you very much for subscribing and taking part in what I love this hobby, and I love sharing different parts of it, and it's been a lot of fun, and having PJ's Coin Capers Facebook group has certainly been helpful, because many of you will help to answer questions, and I'd probably say that my channel is probably more so focused towards new collectors, and that's where I like to try and aim my content. So thank you very much if you found my content and jumped on board, and because of that joined in the hobby. But we've got a folder, $2 coin folder in front of us here, and it is an empty folder but has many slots for you to put your coins into. Now this has been very kindly donated to the channel from mycollectibles.com.au, and we're going to be giving 10 of these away in this video. Well, we'll give you the opportunity to win one of these. These are available from My Collectibles for $29.95. These have coin slots all the way up to 2022. You can see the honeybee slot there, and every other $2 coin prior to that. And no doubt there will be a volume 2 at some stage coming your way. So you want to get this volume 1 right away now, fill it in, and get started on the volume 2 whenever that becomes available. So I'm not sure how we're going to give these away yet. I'm going to do a noodling session now, and something will come to me, and you will be required to leave a comment in the video, and make sure you're subscribed and join in the fun. And then a little bit further down the track we will do a video where I will be giving away and drawing those 10 lucky winners. It'll be a random draw, so essentially all you'll need to do is leave a comment based on something that happens in this video. Alright, so we will see what we find in this hunt, and I might need you to make a comment about that particular coin or answer a certain question. So let's go and see what we can find. So we're doing a mixed coin roll hunt today, and we're going to start off with a roll of dollar coins. Alright, we've got some 50-cent coins, some... Alright, let me interrupt myself. There's our first, I suppose, a little bit more difficult to find, but this is the A coin. This is the 35th anniversary of the dollar coin, and tiny little 35 in the middle there. 35 years, so 84 through to 2019 was the 35th anniversary, and that's an A coin. There's an A, U, and S coin that can be found with the 2019 coins, or 2019 $1 coins. Alright, so make sure you're rotating your coins as you're going through. But, what have we got here? We got a 2022, and it's the cockatoo. Very nice designs on these coins. I absolutely love them. I wonder if anyone has actually gone through and consistently looked to see if there's any sort of errors that are popping up with any of the Great Australian coin hunts. I'd be interested to know. I've been thinking about that, whether or not, there's 26 coins out there, and if there's any sort of variation or error going on. But yes, it's I don't have enough of them to go through and try and see if there's any sort of variations between any of the coins. But it would be an interesting project to do. Alright, final coin. Oh, it's a year 2000, but it is not a mule coin. But is it a rabbit ear? No. No rabbit ear on that one. Alright, let's jump into a 50-cent roll. I love doing 50-cent rolls. Like, if there's rolls that are letting you down and you're not finding anything, usually a 50-cent roll will come through and in my case hopefully make the video more interesting. So yeah, for many reasons, certainly my favorite coin to noodle through. Nice and big, easy to see what's going on, and a good variety of keepers. So let's hope we find something in these 50-cent rolls. $2008, 78. And nothing in that roll. Let's crack open a $2 roll. We'll just quickly scatter these about and see if there's anything worth noting. Oh, they have gone flying. They rolled out. They couldn't wait to get out. Alright, let's put them back into the shot. Got a few more in there. Get rid of that. Alright, what's this one? We got a T20 Women's World Cup. Cricket $2 coin. We'll put that one aside. Anything else jumping out? No. Alright, so nothing in that one, but oh sorry, there was one thing, but nothing super special. What haven't we done yet? A 20-cent roll. Let's get into a 20-cent roll. So, alright. Apologies for the screaming in the background. There's a bit of someone's watching horse racing. Not sure if they're too happy about what's going on, or extremely happy. Alright, 20-cent roll. Just check your rotations on your 2001s. Sometimes there is a small rotation, sometimes a very big rotation. Sometimes have to go through a lot of 20-cent coins to find anything of additional value or something low mintage. what should we do next? I might jump back onto a 50-cent roll. There's a nice 2016 changeover. Quite a nice coin there. I do like to keep them for sets. Alright. Make a bit of space. Alright, there we go. We've got a JC. I wonder what year that'll be. Find out at the end. So certainly in my previous 50-cent roll hunts, found heaps of state 50-cent coins from 2001. I did go to a different bank or branch this time to get these rolls, so maybe it makes a difference. There we got 2021. And we're almost at that JC. What year was it? 2021. Alright, $2 roll. Alright, we've got one bit of colour. What's this one? That's the Paralympic one. Okay, so the Set to Soar Paralympic $2 coin from 2020. We'll pop that one aside. And doesn't look to be anything else in there worth hunting for. Let's go with another $1 roll. See, as I said, we'll I'll need you to put a comment, and what I want you to write in the comment, just so that I know you've watched the video, is what's my favorite roll or denomination of coin to go through, and what is yours. It can be exactly the same. I did mention it in this video. So write that in the comment, and if your name gets drawn and you've filled in my answer and your answer, you'll be chosen to win one of the 10. Alright. So you just need to write the comment. I will then eventually do a video in a few days' time and draw the winners, and then you'll need to send me an email just to let me know who you are and where I need to send off the new $2 coin folder to you. So many thanks to Greg from My Collectibles for sending me out. He actually suggested it. He said to me, hey, you want some of these? And I was more than happy to take them off him and send them your way. So thanks very much, Greg. You've always been a great supporter of the channel. Alright, I think we'll do 2 more rolls, finish this video off. Our 50 centers haven't come through for us. Plenty of 2021s. So we're so close to being able to have a look at the annual report for the 21-22 year, and hopefully that'll answer a lot of questions for us and not leave too many questions for us, so in relation to mintage. So alright, the 50-cent coins have come through, and we've got a WA, so Western Australia. Alright, good. It continues. We keep finding those guys in every hunt in the last little while, so it's been great. And a 22 to finish off. Alright, that's a keeper for now as well. So I think we're going to leave it there, guys. So as I said, you know what you need to do. If you're interested in having one of those coin folders, I'd like to be able to send one to you very soon. So once again, thanks to My Collectibles. Go and check out mycollectibles.com.au. Link will be in the description, and I'll have another video for you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.